Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a Rockstar Games Launcher failed to connect to library service. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to make sure that Rockstar Games Launcher is opened as admin, and then we can proceed with other steps. So once Rockstar Games Launcher is opened, you need to go on search and write services, right? Services, and then on this new window click on one of the tasks here and press R until you see Rockstar Game Library Service, right? And then what you need to do here, you need to right click on the service, go to properties, then make sure startup type is automatic, and then make sure that service status should be running. If it's not running, press start, apply, okay, and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.